Hello guys, hello everyone. How are you all today? I hope you're all doing well. And I'm back. I'm back doing some premieres because I've been away for 2 weeks. Not literally away for 2 weeks, but I was offline and getting busy. And now we're going to do unboxing. Actually, I already unboxed it, but I didn't take it out first. I bought this handheld massager. I bought it in Aldi and it doesn't cost much. So, you know, pag winter dito sa Australia, we normally get so cold at sumasakit-sakit yung mga kasu-kasuang hindi na tayo bumabata. Masakit na ang likod, masakit na ang leeg, kaya kailangan natin ng masahe. Mas maganda sana human massage kaso human massage ang mahal, puro lockdown, walang nangyayari. Okay, let's start opening this and now I'm gonna try it on first to here. Open it. I'm gonna show you. Look, I hope this is a two-way. My camera is not that close, but it will work better. I'm using my phone. Second, I bought it for a while, but I haven't opened it yet. I just didn't get time to open it and assemble. Parang ang dali-dali lang buksan eh. Yun lang pala yun. Ay, may plastic at para sa aking plants. Kailangan kong takpan yung mga plants ko guys. Kasi ang lamig-lamig. Hindi na namumunga. Hindi na mulaklak yung okra. I mean, hindi naman mulaklak yung okra. I always recycle. So, look at this. It says, let me see it, ViSAGE. Oh my god. Let's open. Oh my, I don't know how to open this. And this. So there's the manual. You can read this. How? By the way, guys, naka-all black ako. I'm wearing all black today because I just came from work. A handheld massager. I'll be guaranteed. So, how we are going to assemble this? Rotating, massage node, multiple point, massage node, semi-spare. I'm reading though. There you go. Quick start guide. Let's follow this one. Wait a second, guys. I'm just wondering if my video is running. It is. Hello. Hanapit na mukha. I won't show my this way. By the way guys, pardon if something's wrong with my headphones. Good. Oh, I thought it's not working actually. I hope it's working. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to use these headphones. Okay, now install desired massage nodes. So if you want it like just smooth like this, just maybe stick it on. Stick it on. Insert the connection plug first. Insert the connection plug. I'm pretty sure some of you has this kind of massage gadget home. And I really need a massage, like full body massage. It's not possible at the moment. Installing desired massage node set. Scroll of the currently installed massage node set 2, 3, 4. What does it mean, guys? 2, 3, 4. What do you mean by 2, 3, 4? Scroll off. It is really there. Scroll off. That's the desired one. Oh, so this is the currently installed massage node set, and then install the desired one. I like this. You see that? I like this one. And I thought the desired massage node set clockwise. Kayo ba minsan nalilito sa clockwise at sa counterclockwise? Hindi, minsan. Okay. It's confusing. Maybe just me. Now, using the control buttons, on-off button, intensity indicators. Where is the intensity indicator? The on button. I hope you can see. Alright, there are the intensity indicators at the bottom. Can you see this? I hope so. Let's keep on talking and nothing going on here. I think my plug is a little bit far away. I need an extension. Using the control button, please see also the manual. Hindi pala ako mahilig magbasa ng manual sometimes pag ganito lang. I straight away just assemble what I can there and don't read. But I do read the safety. Now, I think this is ready. I'm going to plug it in for a second. And plug it in. My mess is there. Hello. And now, turn it on. Power on. Look, it's on now. Oh my gosh, look, it's shaking. Intensity 2, wait, intensity 3, 4. So let's try number 1. Oh my god, I'm not ready, but it's gonna be good. Amazing. Think. Oh my goodness, look. How is tawa naman. Ano ba? Tawa naman yung ginawa ko. Kabilang side yung kamay para dyan. Oh God, this feels amazing. Can you hear it? It is parang actually ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Oh my goodness. This is my thing. Sumasabit yung mold sa damit. So, again, may let's try intensity 2. Nagmamassage na tayo. Parang, oh my goodness. Sorry for that. Look. Look. Karat naman tao ni. Uy, hala. Look, guys. Murag, way lami ning. Murag na ay butlig-butlig. Sorry for my language, guys. It's a mixed language. I speak Bisaya. I speak Tagalog. I speak English. I also speak basic Punjabi. Haha. Fiancé ko po is Punjabi. And I know some language a little bit, like Russian. Say Привет, Pashli Damoy, Sat Sri Akal, Kumusta, mabuti po. Okay, pero maganda is smooth na note. Okay, this is better. Hindi sumasabit sa damit. Like, oh, okay. This is the one I need. I think this one is good. You use it for your, no. Hindi maganda. Hindi pula sa paa. Sabi nga dito, it's only for, ano sinabing neck and shoulder lang. Pero, yung picture kasi, pero, ganun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple. I remember, I think this is $39.99 or $49 something. Pero, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Oh my God. Kailangan yata maglagay muna ako ng oil. Ay, parang ang sakit. This is Vera. Diyos ko, magtatrabaho pa ako. Tapos nagmamassage na ako mamaya. But that's it. That's all for today. I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig pa ba ako. Kasi natanggal yung headphones ko. But anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And magmamassage ako at matutulog siguro kayo bago ako pumasok ulit. It's now 10 past 10 in Australia in the morning and it's freezing. It's really freezing. Tomorrow is officially the start of the winter. Malamig na. 2 degrees in the morning when I left home. And now I think when I came back it's 6 degrees. It's actually a sunny day. It's fine. But it's so cold. Okay, let's turn it off. Turn it off. I like it. It's easy unboxing. Finished. Alright, that's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching and have a safe day, night, or whatever. Stay safe, everyone.